My loving pupils of Standard 9, a very pleasant good morning to all of you and a great blessing to you. Myself Sunil Singh is going to discuss some mathematical problems with you what are given in exercise 1F. I have already skipped one exercise 1E because that is given some constructions for showing the rational or irrational numbers on number lines. So this can be possible only when you will attend your class. So when you will come in a school and attend your class, we will discuss about the previous exercise 1E with you, because without instruments box, without geometrical box, it is not possible that the irrational numbers can be solved on number line. So I skipped that exercise, and here we are going to discuss about the exercise 1F, in which there is given rationalizing the numbers. Before starting the exercise, what is rationalizing? We need to know about that. The process of converting an irrational denominator into a rational denominator by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number is called rationalization. It means when a number is given in the form of an irrational numbers, like, see, observe this number 1 by root 2 plus root 3. It means the denominator here given root 2 plus root 3. This is an irrational number. So we need to rationalize it. Rationalize means we need to change it, convert it into a rational number. How can it be possible? It is possible when we rationalize this number. How can it be rationalized? So we multiplied a suitable number. Multiplied a suitable number in its numerator as well as its denominator. So what should be the number? Observe this denominator, root 2 plus root 3. We multiplied both numerator and denominator by root 2 minus root 3. When we are going to rationalize, we take the denominator what are given here and put here same what are numbers are given, root 2 minus root 3. Need to change the symbol what are given. If there is given minus, when we are going to rationalize, we multiplied to change it into plus. When it is given plus, we change it into minus. So start the exercise. Write the rationalizing factor of the denominator in 1 by root 2 plus root 3. 1 by root 2 plus root 3. It means rationalizing factor. We write here only the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Denominator here is root 2 plus root 3. So the factor will be root 2 minus root 3. Just we have discussed that we need to change this symbol. Root 2 minus root 3. When we need to rationalize it, we multiplied root 2 minus root 3 in 1 as well as root 2 minus root 3 in root 2 plus root 3. Rationalize the denominator of each of the following. See, 1 by root 7. Denominator root 7. Not any plus or minus symbol given here. So rationalize it, multiply root 7 into root 7 by root 7. Root 7 into 1, root 7. Root 7 into root 7, 7. Rationalize means the denominator should be rational number. Second, see here, root 2 by 2 root 3. Here the irrational number is root 3. So when we are going to rationalize, only multiplied denominator and numerator by root 3. Root 3 by root 3. Root 5 divided by root 3, root 15. 2 root 3 root 5 multiply root 3, root 15. 2 root 3 multiply root 3. 2 root 3 into root 3, 3 into 2, 6. Third, here given 1 by 2 plus root 3. Rationalize it, multiply 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Just here symbol is changed, plus into minus, and then rationalize it. 1 multiply 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It means we know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a minus b, a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. We know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This is algebraic formula. In this formula, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, a plus b into a minus b will be 2 square minus root 3 square a square minus b square, and in such way our answer will be 2 minus root 3. Same, all questions of 2 are solved here. Question number 3. It being given that root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732, root 5 equal to 2.236, and root 10 equal to 3.162. Find the value to 3 places of decimals of each of the following. It means we have to find out the numbers, the value. See here, 2 by root 5. Rationalize it, we get 2 by root 5 multiply root 5 by root 5 equal to 2 multiply root 5, 2 root 5, root 5 multiply root 5, 5. Now put the value of root 5 at the place of root 5. 2 multiply the value of root 5 is given 2.236 multiply together we get 4.472 by 5, divide 0.8944. Since in questions there is given that our answer should be in 3 digit after decimal, so we take after decimal 3 digit 0.894. Another poem, third, root 10 minus root 5 by root 2. Rationalize it, multiply root 2 by root 2, not any minus or plus symbol is given here, so root 2 by root 2. Root 10 multiplied by root 2, that will be root 20, minus root 5 multiplied with root 2, it came here minus root 10, by root 2 multiply root 2, 2. 20 will be 2 multiply 5, it means 2 root 5 minus root 10 by 2. Putting the value of root 5 and root 10 here, 2 multiply 2.236, it is the value of root 5, minus 3.162, it is the value of root 10 by 2. Multiply together 2 into 2.236, 4.472 minus 3.162 by 2. Here we get 1.310 by 2. After divided it, we get 0.655 is the answer. See question number 4. Find rational numbers a and b such that we have here root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 equal to a plus b root 2. We have root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Rationalize it, equal to root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1, that will be root 2 minus 1 the whole square. It means a minus b into a minus b equal to a minus b the whole square. A plus b and a minus b equal to a square minus b square, root 2 square minus 1 square. A minus b square equal to, here you have to carry a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we use this formula here, root 2 minus 1 the whole square, root 2 square plus 1 square, a square plus b square, root 2 square plus 1 square minus 2ab, minus 2 root 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, root 2 square 2, 1 square 1, root 2 square 2, 1 square 1 minus 2 root 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 2 root 2, divided by 1 remain 3 minus 2 root 2. So root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 equal to given a plus b root 2, a plus b root 2 equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. At the place of a, 3 comes, so a equal to 3. At the place of b, minus 2 comes, so b equal to minus 2. In such way, I have solved all problems for you of question number 4. Question number 5. it being given that root 3 equal to 1.732, root 5 equal to 2.236, root 6 equal to 2.449, and root 10 equal to 3.162. Find to 3 places of decimal the value of each of the following. It means we have to find out the value of the following numbers what are given, putting the values if they are needed to write the value of root 3 or root 4 or root 6 or root 10. See one example for you. 1 by root 6 plus root 5. First of 5. We have here 1 by root 6 plus root 5 equal to, rationalize it, 1 by root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 minus root 5. Root 6 plus root 5, when we are going to rationalize, I have already discussed you that you need to change this symbol. If there is given plus, we need to change it into minus. If there is given in minus, we need to change it into plus and then rationalize. 1 into root 6 minus root 5 remain here same. Root 6 plus root 5 by root 6 minus root 5, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So root a square, root 6 square will be 6, root 5 square will be 5, 6 minus 5 will remain here 1, root 6 minus root 5 by 1 equal to root 6 minus root 5, putting the value of root 6 and root 5. Here root 6 the value given 2.449, whereas the value of root 5 is given 2.236. Subtract from it we get 0.213. See another example. Another example for you. See here. Question number 5th or 4th. See here. Given 3 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5. Rationalize it. We have 3 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5. Rationalize it. 3 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5 put here into 3 minus root 5 is given here. So when we are going to rationalize, we multiply taking 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5 by 3 plus root 5 equal to 3 plus root 5, 3 plus root 5. A plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b the whole square. So 3 plus root 5 the whole square. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. 3a square minus root 5 square. Here a plus b square. A plus b square. A plus b square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Put such type. 3a square plus root 5 square plus 2 into 3 into root 5. 3a square plus root 5 square plus 2 into 3 into root 5 by 9 minus 5 equal to 3 square 9, root 5 square 5 plus 6 root 5. 9 5 14 plus 6 root 5 by 4. 2 is common in both 14 and 6. Take 2 common here. Remains 7 plus 3 root 5 by 4. 4 divided by 2, 2 times. Remain 7 plus 3 root 5 by 2. Putting the value of root 5, 7 plus 3 root 5 by 2, 7 plus 3 into the value of root 5 given here 2.236 by 2. Here we get 7 plus 6.708 by 2 equal to 13.708 by 2. That will be 6.852. Observe the next question. All question of phi, all problems of phi solved by me for you. Observe question number C. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. It means we have to rationalize only. 6 first. We have 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2 by root 48 plus root 18 equal to first 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2. I have already taking out what are necessary numbers here. 4 multiply 4 into 3, 3 multiply 3 into 2. So here 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2, 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Rationalize it. 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2 by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. 7 root 3 multiplied 4 root 3. 7 into 4. 28 root 3 into root 3. 3. 28 into 3. 84. 7 root 3 minus 3 root 2. 7 into 3. 21. Root 3 into root 2. Root 6. 21 root 6. Minus 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3 equal to minus 5 into 4 minus 20 root 2 into root 6 root 3 root 6 minus 20 root 6 minus 5 root 2 into minus 3 root 2 minus 5 into minus 3 13 root 2 into root 2 2 minus 5 into minus 3 15 root 2 into root 2 2 15 into 2 30 by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square, that will be 4a square 16 root 3a square 3 16 into 3 48 3 root 2a square 3a square 9 root 2a square 2 9 into 2 18 84 plus 30 114 minus 21 root 6 minus 20 root 6 like terms minus 41 by root 6 by 48 minus 18 equal to 114 minus 41 root 6 by 30. I have solved all questions in the such way for you what are given in question number 6. There are given 2 questions. I have solved all the 2 for you. Simplification also given. How to simplify? Rationalize. We have here 4 plus root 2 by 4 minus root 2 plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Rationalize consecutively. For this 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 into given here 4 minus root 5. So when we are going to rationalize, change the symbol. 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus the second one is given 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Change the symbol, plus into minus 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. For first, a plus b into a plus b the whole square, 4 plus root 5 the whole square by a square minus b square, 4 square minus root 5 square plus 4 minus root 5 square, a minus b into a minus b equal to a minus b the whole square by a square minus b square, 4 square minus root 5 square equal to, solve a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 4 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into 4 into root 5 by 4 square 16 root 5 square 5 plus 4 square, for this 4 minus root 5 square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 4 square plus root 5 square minus 2 into 4 into root 5 by 16 minus 5. Here 4 square 16, root 5 square 5, 2 into 4 into root 5, 8 root 5 by 16 minus 5, 11. Here 4 square 16, root 5 square 5 minus 8 root 5 by 11. 16 minus 5, 11. Now add together LCM 11, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 8 root 5 plus 16 plus 5, 21 minus 8 root 5 plus 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 cancelled. Remain here 21 plus 21 by 11, that will be 42 by 11. In such way, all simplifications have done for you of what are given in question number 7. Here third, here fourth, here third, here fourth, see question number 8. Here to prove, prove that 1 by 3 plus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equal to 1. Take LHS and RHS. In left hand side, given left hand side and right hand side. Left from equal, we write LHS. Right from equal, we write RHS. We need to prove that the LHS is equal to the RHS. From LHS, 1 by 3 plus root 7. Rationalize it, 3 minus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 5. Multiply root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 3. Multiply root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, multiply root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. What we get after rationalize? 1 into 3 minus root 7, 3 minus root 7, a plus b into a minus b, 3 square minus root 7 square, plus same by 1 remain the number root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 square minus root 5 square plus root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 square minus root 3 square plus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1 square. Solve here. 3 square 9, root 7 square 7. Remain 3 minus root 7 here. Root 7 by minus root 5 by root 7 square 7, root 5 square 5. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 square 5, root 3 square 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 square 3 minus 1 square 1. 3 minus root 7 by 2, root 7 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 7 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2. LCM of all will be 2. 3 minus root 7 plus root 7 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 3 root plus root 3 minus 1. Minus root 7 plus root 7 cancel, minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel, minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Remain here 3, here minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. And so we prove, I have proved the second one what are given in question number 8. Observe it properly how it been proved. See question number 9. Find the values of A and B. If 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5 equal to A plus B root 5. We have here 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5 equal to A plus B the whole square. Rationalize both. 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 by 3 minus root 5. Rationalize it. Minus 7 minus 3 root 5 by 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 by 3 plus root 5. I have rationalized here equal to 7 into 3 21, 7 into minus root 5 minus 7 root 5, 3 root 5 into 3 9 root 5, 3 root 5 minus root 5 3 root 5 root 5 5, 5 into 3 15 minus 15 by 3 square minus root 5 square minus 7 into 3 21, 7 into root 5 7 root 5 minus 3 root 5 into 3 minus 9 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus root 5 minus 15 by 3 square minus root 5 square equal to 21 minus 15 6 like terms minus 7 root 5 plus 9 root 5 equal to plus 2 root 5 by 3 square 9 root 5 square 5 minus 21 minus 15 6 minus 7 plus 7 root 5 minus 9 root 5 minus 2 root 5 by 9 minus 5. Here 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4. LCM 4 sorry, take common here 2 from it, 3 plus root 5 by 4. Take common from 2 from it, remain here 3 minus root 5 by 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Again 4 divided by 2, 2. Remain here 3 plus root 5 minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. 2, 2, LCM 2. 3 plus root 5 minus 3 plus root 5 by 2 equal to root 5, 2 root 5 by 2. Root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5 by 2. 2 cancel, remain here root 5. So A plus B root 5 equal to root 5. So A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then it can be proved that A 0 and B 1. See question number 10. Simplify. Given simplify, we have root 13 minus root 11 by root 13 plus root 11 plus root 13 plus root 11 by root 13 minus root 11. Rationalize it in such way equal to root 13 minus root 11 into root 13 minus root 11, root 13 minus root 11 the whole square, A minus B the whole square. Same as A plus B into A plus B, root 13 plus root 11 the whole square. A plus B into A minus B, root 13 square minus root 11 square. Same, root 13 square minus root 11 square here. A minus B the whole square, root 13 square plus root 11 square minus 2AB, 2 root 13 into root 11 by 13 minus 11 plus A plus B the whole square, root 13 square plus root 11 square plus 2 root 13 root 11 by 13 minus 11. Root 13 square 13, root 11 square 11 minus 2 root 13 root 11 by 2. Root 13 13, root 13 square 13 plus root 11 square 11 plus 2 root 13 into root 11 by 2. LCM here, 13 11 24 minus 2 root 13 root 11. 13 plus 11 24 plus 2 root 13 root 11 by 2. Take common 2